Hey my say dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zero and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, we got a Alipearl wig, but we're gonna get into that in 1 second. Before we get into this video, you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Period. Okay, and that's just that. Okay, getting into this wig. So Alipearl sent me their brown lace front that's in 24 inches, y'all. I never had a wig that was just like this straight brown color, and it gave longer than 20 inches. That's why I love me some Alipearl. I bleached the knots already, so that was done off camera. Just a little bit plucking. The hairline on my forehead was further than where I wanted it to be. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta fix it, give your own little tweaks. And that's exactly what I did, and it gave. Y'all know my hot comb is my favorite friend. I go by, it is okay to burn yourself. Do what you gotta do to lay that wig. One thing I would say, I think I cut too far. I think it was this side or the other side where I cut too much off. It was definitely this side. Yeah, it was definitely this side. Cause y'all see all that extra hair, like, look at that. All that extra space behind my ear. This side was much better, so we ain't gonna really make it no big deal. Ain't really nothing much to talk about. Feel me? Feel me? Okay. I went in with my, I think this was Bold glue or Ghost Bond or whatever. I don't know what's been going on with the glue lately. Y'all know, first of all, y'all know I had this wig on for 2 days, and because it was a whole heat wave, my wig came up outside while I was walking home. Talk about ghetto. Mind you, I put like 3 layers of glue. 3 layers of glue. My wig never came up. First of all, I think they changed the formula of Ghost Bond, Boho, all them looking glues. Because you see how I went to go lay it down here? That shit did not stick. Like, that shit did not stick. It wasn't tacky, no nothing. Yeah, I got hot. Y'all know I don't like clothes. So all I had was the robe on. Took it off. I had to put like 5 more layers. I probably dragged it, but y'all know what I mean. I had to put 5 more layers. So y'all see the deal. We spreading, we smearing, we pushing it in, pushing it down. I just don't know. Girl, you need to shave. Get out. Even when I was doing this, it did not stick down. Like, I was even scared this spray that got to be, but I made sure the band was on real quick. So as soon as I sprayed that got to be, I throw that band right back up there because I did not have time for nothing sliding back. You know how it got to be get when you spray it down. So we left it like that for a few. I think I left it like that for overnight. This is a whole nother day, y'all. It gave though. It gave. Look at that. You can't even tell where the lace is at. Hold on. Maybe I was sleeping on this. No, it wasn't. This wig lasted 2 days.
Like, what are you barking for? You just used the bathroom.
Oh, that's
you
me
got
talking
fresh
to Louis.
water. Your food's right here. It's nothing for you to be barking for. Want to say hi to the people? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. All right. Mommy working. I can't have you up here while I'm doing my hair. You showing out. 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 Chill, bro.
First of all, y'all see how that joke was playing with me? Broken at me. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I installed this wig again, and the second install was better than the first. I don't know if it was this side or the other side. I left mad lace, and it did not give. Like, it was not... nah. Nah. That ain't it. That ain't it. Oh, this side was the best side. It was that other side that I left mad lace on. You fiending, girl. That don't even look that laid. That don't even look that laid. I had to take some of this hair out the braid because apparently I didn't do my estimates. Look at all that lace on that side. I wish I could freeze it for y'all, but I don't got time for that. Y'all gonna see it again. I know y'all see all that lace. I know y'all see all that lace. This part was kind of tricky because I already had molded them hairs to go forward and not all of them hairs was getting cut off. So it was hard to mold. Y'all see that lace? On the second install, I cut all of that off because that was a no-no. That was a straight no-no. I can't even, I think, oh, I did a side part. Oh, the second install, I did the middle part and it was much, much better. So y'all know the deal. Louie, what are you doing? That dog gonna be the death of me, y'all. I'm weak. Because while he was sleeping just now, he heard me say his name. He gonna look up. Sorry, I woke him up, Papa. But yeah, back to the video. Y'all know the deal. Hot comb, go through the pods. Hot comb. Get that shit laid right. Hot comb. Hot comb. Hot comb. Hot comb. Hot comb. Hot comb. All right, Zayla, shut up. Burp the shit about. That's what I get. Do y'all see that lace though? That's just good lace. The part, that shit really gives. Like, love me some Alipearl. I'm gonna have to write them and see if they could do my birthday hair, cause heard you, Alipearl.
Just got in town, and I won't let you in this club. It's all in the sky.
And then right here, we had to take a mommy break. All this little boy want me to do is hold him and rub on him. Like, he really be in heaven. Look at him just chilling. Like, I don't got work to do. Like, and then don't let me stop when he really, really into it. He will try his hardest to put his face in my hand. But back to the video. I want to take a class on my baby. I lied. Yo, y'all see all that hair back there? I need to start shaving like the hairs that's like on my neck right there, because that is so pointless. Like, but I felt good about the baby hairs on this side. The baby hairs on the other side was yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna just stop rambling to y'all and just let y'all watch. Capiche. I lied. I was trying this little new technique on trying to get my baby hairs even, because one thing I can't do is get these motherfuckers to be even. They will not be twin sisters. They might be first cousins on a good day. Other than that, them niggas is like god sisters or aunt and cousin, aunt and niece. I don't even know. See how I dragged it? That wasn't even necessary. But look at that though. Y'all see that melt? No. Did y'all see? Hold on. Did y'all see that melt? Shit me. I did that. Did that. Honestly, Bestie put me onto this. That's the olive and aloe soft shine flex hold. When I tell y'all, the shit good. Like, the shit good. The crazy part is they didn't come out how I wanted to in this one, because I didn't use the flat iron and flip them the other way. I only do that sometimes. But if I would have did that for this wig, baby hairs would have been fire. Shitting me. But you know, I'm getting better. Because at first, I never used to know what I was doing. But we getting there, you know. Thanks, YouTube. Period.
Hello, stranger. minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Okay, hey y'all, I'm leaving off of work right now, so we're gonna do this fast. We're gonna take this band off. Y'all already know. Oh my god. Okay, my Zay dolls, this is the it for this install. I'm on my way to work, so I'm rushing. This was a voiceover, so y'all probably already got all the other hair details. So I'm feeling this. Y'all see that brown? Like, touch Louis. I'm closing out. So you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It's your girl Zay out, and I'm out. Later. Say bye bye, baby. Look. Say bye bye. Bye bye.